Hi, are you the type of person that throws a football like this? If so, let me help you. My name is Jacques Nicholas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to throw a football correctly. Step 1. Materials. All you're going to need for this how-to is a football. Step 2. Stretching. You're going to want to stretch before you throw. If not, it can lead to bad injuries and overall would not be a fun experience. Step 3. Finger placement. You're going to want to put some of your fingers on the laces and the other fingers off. It overall helps you get a better grip on the ball and will lead to much better throws. Step 4. Stepping up into your throw. Whenever you throw the ball, you want to have a back drop, come back 3 steps, then you want to step up into your throw. It helps you throw the ball right through the target, and that's how you have better accuracy. Step 5. Swinging your hips. Once you step up into your throw, you want to swing your hips. It makes the throw feel smoother and more comfortable. Step 6. When you release the ball. If you want to throw the ball a short little pass, you want to put your whole arm length and you want to follow through in your throw. If you're going to throw in about a medium length, you want to release right about your nose. After you hit your nose, you want to release the ball. It goes about a medium distance. And finally, when you throw far, you want your release point to be fast. Right about here, once it hits the back of your jaw. It makes the ball go farther and have a better spin. Finally, step 7. Use all your previous steps. Once you do all those steps, your throws will go from this to this. Bullseye. This is Jacques Nicholas signing off.